gonna start the dance over to the right and cha-cha. Come on, y'all. One double hip roll this time. Here we go. Mr. Sexy Man, up. Turn right. Left foot up. Turn left. Punch the clock one time. Hi, I'm Miss Anna of Steppers Unite Inc. in Seattle, Washington. I have created a few line dances that I want to share with you today. This one is called Ready. The song is Ready, Willing, and Able by Will Downing. And the choreographer is myself. I will begin this dance with a side cha-cha. We're going to start on the right side, and then we'll do the left side, and we'll repeat it. And then I'll go into a double hip roll. The third step is called Mr. Sexy Man. And that is a right foot scoot up with a right turn, and then you're going to do a left foot scoot up with a left turn to come back to your front wall. The fourth piece is punch the clock, and that will be your right foot tapping up to 12 and then out to the right to 3. And then you're going to do a cha-cha-cha, right, left, right. Then your left foot is going to do the same thing, but it's 12, 9, and then cha-cha, cha-cha back. So your left foot is going to do something just a little different on the cha-chas. With the chorus of this song, we are going to do a cross and kick. Right over left, left over right. So I am going to begin now. I just gave you a preview of the steps. So now I'm going to start the dance with the side cha-cha. Every time you take a step, shift your weight. Okay? Here we go. Right side, step back. Left side cha-cha, step back. Here we go. Right, step back, and left. Step back. When we come out of it, step forward. All right, I'm going to do that again. Side cha-cha. Here we go. Right, step back, left, step back. Again, go right, step back, and left, step back, and step. If you hear a buzzing sound in the background, please ignore that. That is just my furnace coming on. It's cold in here. All right. So that was the side cha-chas. Right, left, left. The next set is the double hip roll. Right hip, right, one time, 2 times to the left, 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left. All right, okay, so when we come out of that, we're getting ready to do Mr. Sexy Man. That's the third move. Your right foot is going to step forward, your left foot is going to scoot. Then your left foot's going to come up to pivot you around to the back wall, and you're going to do the scoot again, turn left to come back to your front wall. So I'm facing you doing this. I need to turn my back around so you can do it, but I'll go through all 4 moves and then I'll turn my back to you. Here we go. Mr. Sexy Man. Step right, scoot, scoot, left foot up, pivot, turn. Left foot up, right scoot, scoot, right foot up, pivot, turn. All right, I'll do that again with the tempo. Step, scoot, scoot, and turn. Scoot, scoot, and turn. There we go. All right, that was Mr. Sexy Man. The fourth move is punch the clock. Right foot tap up, side, cha-cha-cha, left, up, side, cha-cha, back. Right, up, side, cha-cha-cha, left, up, side, cha-cha, back. That was the fourth move. The fifth move is the cross and kick. All your weight is on the left foot. So you're going to start with your right crossing over your left. And you're going to interchange them 4 times. Cross and kick and cross and kick and cross and kick and cross and kick and. Put that weight back on the left. 4 kicks forward. Right, left, and. we're going to do what I call a kickstand. Right foot's going to step out. 1 and 2. That's a kickstand. So when we do our 4 kicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out and in and out and in. And we want to have all our weight on the left so that your right foot is ready to move next. Now I'm going to turn my back to you, and I'm going to do all 5 moves from the back side. From the beginning. Side cha-cha. Side cha-cha, step back. Side cha-cha, step back. Side cha-cha, step back. Side cha-cha, step double hip roll. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Sexy Man. Scoot, scoot, and turn. Scoot, scoot, and turn. Scoot, scoot, and turn. Scoot, and punch the clock. Go up, side, cha-cha-cha. 12, 9, cha-cha-cha. 12, 3, cha-cha-cha. 12, 3, cha-cha, back. Cross and kick and cross and kick and cross and kick. Cross and kick. Kick 4, 3, 2. Kickstand 1 and 2 and. Okay. One thing I forgot to tell you was when you're crossing kicking, you're going backwards. So cross and kick, you're traveling back. Quick. And kick and cross and kick. Kick 4, 3, 2, 1. Kickstand and kickstand. Cross and kick, go forward. 2, 3. Kick 4, go right. Left, right. Kickstand, go right out in and right out in and. All right. Woo, here we go. In 5, 6. Right side cha-cha, go. Step back. Do that again. Double hip roll, right? 1, 2, 3. Do that again. To the right. Mr. Sexy Man. Right foot up. Scoop, scoop. Pivot, turn right. Scoop, scoop. Pivot, turn left. Scoop, scoop. Pivot, turn. Scoop, scoop. And pivot, turn. Punch the clock. Up. Side. Cha, cha, cha. Up. Side. Cha, cha, cha. Right. And left. Step back and cross and kick. Cross and kick 4 times as you're traveling backwards. Kick 4, right foot, left foot. Kickstand to the right 2 times. Cross and kick going forward. Kick 4. Kickstand to the right. This is a triangle. I'm going to count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, and pose. Start over. Cha cha. Back. Cha cha. Back. For hip roll. Got a change in there. Hip roll. Again, hip roll. Mr. Sexy Man. 1 time. Here we go. Up. Turn right. Left foot up. Punch the clock. 12, 3, cha, cha, cha. 12, 9, cha, again. Step that left foot back on cha, cha. Cross and kick. Going back. Kick 4. Kickstand. To the right, 2 times. Cross and kick forward. Kick 4. Kickstand to the right 2 times. Cross and kick back. We're doing this one 4 times. Kick 4. Kickstand. Cross and kick. hip roll this time. Here we go. Mr. Sexy Man, up. Turn right, left foot up. Turn left, punch the clock one time. Give me that left salsa after you cha-cha. Cross and kick. Taking it back. Kick forward. Kickstand. Cross and kick forward. Kick forward. Kickstand. Back. Kick forward. Kickstand. 1, 2. Cross and kick. Kick forward. Kickstand. Take it back. Last time. I hope you enjoyed that. And please push that subscribe button. Thank you.